It's nail mail time. Welcome back everyone to Decorate Every Nail You Got. Today we have a Mani by Me subscription box. This is the January subscription box, I believe. So let's dive in, shall we? This will be an unboxing, so we're just gonna kind of see what's inside. First of all, love that color, that's pretty. Let's go ahead and take those things, put them on the side, grab this, and boom, get rid of that. Okay, first things first, let's talk about the paperwork you get inside. So, Lovesick, you guys can pause right there and read if you like. I'm not gonna read it because I love to be surprised. Okay, and then Cloud9 Manicure tutorial. So they always do some kind of tutorial for how to do things. Oh, this is the Cherubs one, which I don't remember what the gift is, but there you go, if you want to pause that so you can see how to do that one. And then I love the Maniology stickers because I always put them on my e-scooter. Let's see what's inside. Okay, and I don't know what the extra gift is. So you get your stamping guide, so you know what you're doing with that. I don't know how much I'm going to use these, but they're awfully small, and they're nail studs, it looks like. Nail glue, I never use the nail glue. I use gel polish, so I always apply them with gel polish. Okay, so I don't know how much I'm going to use those, but my daughter loves to do stuff too, so maybe she'll use them. Let's have a look at the plates, shall we? This is the MXM048 plate. And you can see, oh, I like the little hearts and the hearts with wings. That's pretty. Sorry, you guys, I haven't done my nails yet. I put dip powder on them, and I haven't actually done them yet. Okay, a dripping rose, cherubs everywhere. Ooh, that's cool. Kind of roses and thorns. That's kind of neat. That's pretty with your hearts and your cherubs and your cupid bows. And then we've got some clouds, and I don't really know what that is. Is that just a rose with different vines, I guess? This is pretty as well. Okay, let's find out about the other one. Oh, cool. This is MXM047, and you get your lettering, which is really cool. I always like it when you can get lettering. Might have to do something with that. And again, little cherubs, angels, angel wings. But we still, okay, I think it's like angels and demons kind of theme kind of going on. This is interesting. That's cool. So we've got those two plates, and then let's have a look at the what do you call it? Oh my gosh, they're stamping polishes. Let me see if I can get this bad boy open. Okay. All right. I'm not trying to break a nail. Okay. And come on, you can do it. Pretty. That almost looks like Thriller, doesn't it? This is to Aphrodite. Ooh, that is super pretty, y'all. It looks a lot like Thriller. Let me get Thriller out so you guys can compare the difference. This one is Aphrodite, and this one is Thriller. You can see they're very similar, but this one's more bright. So I really like this dark. That is really, really pretty. And as you remember, Thriller is the one that has a really shiny, almost looks like a silver in a certain light. So maybe that's going to do this as with this one as well. I don't know. We'll swatch it and we'll see. And then we've got Dovetail. Oh, that's a shimmer. I didn't realize it was a shimmer. Pretty. Okay, let's do some swatching of these real quick. So I'm kind of a nerd. I always use the same stamp for my swatches. And I thought we'd start with Aphrodite. Okay, it's a little bit more translucent than I thought. Okay. Oh, I didn't get all the stamp out. Of course, I held it down. Oh my gosh, I removed more than I put on. Whatever. Okay. once again, I'll let you see the difference. This does not do the same thing that Thriller does. So Thriller kind of has that really sparkly silver look at certain angles, whereas this one doesn't. It's a true, like a really, it's a really pretty sparkly purple. Almost, I mean, it looks red, like a dark red, but it's more purple, I think, than red. Very pretty though. Yeah, I don't know that the camera's gonna do it justice, but I like it. All right, let's clean up and get ready for the next one. All right, now we're gonna be looking at Dovetail. This is like, oh, almost like a really pretty mauve, kind of nude, more nude than it is mauve, I would say. Okay. Oh man, I think it's gonna stamp really pretty over black. Almost looks brown, looks very nudie. And I don't know that you can tell the shimmers that's in it, quite frankly. But it's a really pretty, it almost looks like just like a beige or tan color. But once again, always a time and a place for that as well. And the two colors together, I'm not sure. I mean, looking like this, they look like they'd go well together, but I'm not sure they go well together this way. Maybe in a larger, like if you use this as a base and then this as a stamp, that would look really pretty, I think. I mean, yeah, I could see that they would go together. All right, let's do one nail with these two, just so I can kind of make sure and see. So let me see if I can set that up real quick. All right, so I'm gonna paint one, the Aphrodite, and put the Dovetail on top of it, and then I'm gonna paint the other one, the Dovetail, and put the Aphrodite on top. You guys, their polishes are so good that they're usually good in one coat. So I think I'm only gonna do one coat of each. Let it dry and then do some stamping on that. Okay, now my other one. That is a really pretty color. I really love that. I just don't know if you guys can see how it's shimmery. It's really, really pretty. I got a random hair alert. Okay, now for the Dovetail, I'm hoping that you can see the shimmer in this as well. And it looks, on camera it looks brown, but it's more like, it's like a brown purple. Does that make sense? Probably got that a little too thick, so it's gonna take forever to dry, but I do, you know what? They really do go really well together, actually. That's super pretty, so I can't wait to stamp on these and see what it looks like. Yay! All right, let's let those dry. Okay, everything is dry now, and I just want to show you guys. I hope it picks up on camera. This color, this Aphrodite color, is really, really pretty. Like, you see how it's got some red, like at a certain angle, you can kind of see a red, and then it's got some oranges in it and a little bit of holo in it. Oh man, I just don't think the camera's doing it justice, but it is gorgeous. And this is a really great nude color, and honestly, the two of them go together really well. So I'm going to stamp one on top of the other. And by the way, this is only one coat. There's been a lot of talk lately about, you know, stamping polishes. Can you use them as nail polishes? Well, heck yeah, you can. And also, they're so highly pigmented usually that you can end up doing it in one coat, which is really, really awesome. Okay, so what are we going to do? I thought, I love this image, the barbed wire image on MXM047. So I thought we would use that one from this plate. And this one, I think I'm going to use the Aphrodite on this nail. So this has got a cherub in the middle and then some hearts around the outside. So let's do that one first. And see how it goes. You guys, this color, like, really, honestly, it's super pretty. I'm about to do some Valentine's manis, and this might have to make the list. I'm just saying. Okay, and then we're going to put it right on top of here. Is everything? All right, whoops. I kind of put the cherub towards the bottom. Like off to the side instead of right in the middle. Oh, that is hard to see. There we go, it's a little better. Well, that looks good. I really think, honestly, that I'm gonna love this barbed wire look. So let's do that one next. clean off my stamper on my sticky stamper station. And now I'm going to be using that, what was it called? Dovetail? Dovetail, yes. Let's use Dovetail on the other one. It really is. It's got a shimmer in it, but you honestly, I mean, you can't see it very well. Okay. Ugh, no focus, just no kind of focus over here. Okay, let's see if we can get, there we go, that's a little bit better. So sorry. I'm not a super fan of the dovetail over the Aphrodite, but the Aphrodite on the dovetail looks really pretty. It's just a little bit harder to see this one. But the two colors, honestly, they go really well together. So I'm not going to put any of these on. Golly gee, I can't get anything to focus. I'm not going to put any of these on. They're just too small for me to mess with right now, and I got to be in the right frame of mind to be putting these on. But that came with it as well. So let me just kind of do a recap of what was in the in the box real quick. All right, so what do you get in the box? You get the MXM047, the MXM048. You also get two colors. You get the Aphrodite, beautiful. I really, really like this color. I'm a fan. And the dovetail, and I want to love this one more than I actually do. I love that shimmer, and I wish it came through a little bit more when you stamped it and when you used it. So you can create designs such as these. You also get the little squigglies, little doodads, the studs, and they are quite small, so that could be fun to use. So this is what you get in the box. Nice? I think yes. Now, couple things that I wanted to talk about before I let you go, and that's that these plates, this is very angels and demons-y. Actually, I don't see a lot of demons, but it is very angels and hearts and love. Where did the demons come from? Anyway, I thought somebody said that in the Maniology group, but maybe not. Anyway, but there's a lot of reverse stamping that you could do with some of these images that would look really, really cool. So keep that in mind. This is what you get in the set. Now that you know what comes in the kit, why don't you run on over there and get yourself some Maniology stuff. So if you want to use my code to get 10% off of your order, you can slap in the code GrooveMama, get yourself 10% and call it a day. Follow me on Instagram. That would be super awesome sauce at GrooveMama. Feel free to follow me. And people, like the video, subscribe. Those are all beautiful, wonderful things. People, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!